Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and always remember that this channel has an interesting content and always sharing with you a YouTube video tutorials, how to make money online, personal blogs and travel blogs. So hope that you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now we're gonna tackle about Youtrip card, and we are going to have some reviews about this card, and I prepared some questions regarding to this topic for you to understand how and what is the usage of this card. So Youtrip card is a worldwide prepaid MasterCard that can be used as TransferWise card, EasyLink card, multicurrency, foreign currency wallet, savings card, travel wallets, and allows us to lock in up into different currencies anytime in a Youtrip and app currency exchange functions. Now we are going to center my currency and my current location, which is Singapore. So for my personal experience, I've been using this card for over 5 months. Started from December last year until now. I've been using this card for my EasyLink usage. So in fact, I was shared about how to sign up and activate this card, and take some time to scroll down in my videos. Down there, I will be attaching this link into the description box in this video also. So let us go into the perks, because this card you can use also as your you are redeeming your perks. Okay, to get deal and their partner merchandise here, you can also purchase from Shopee using this card, Lazada, Agoda, Booking.com. Okay, look, Trip.com was amazingly very cheaper tickets, hotels, reservations. Foodpanda, Amazon, Singapore, Qatar Airways or Qatar, what's called about, and Zalora. All those shopping center you can purchase using this card. Poma, and there are so many partners here that you can choose which one you like when you're going to purchase using this card. So in these 5 months, does Youtrip card benefited me? So absolutely yes. In terms of EasyLink card, we are going back into the records of my card. So currently I don't have top up in my Youtrip. I forgot to top up. That's why I have a negative $5. This was my credit inside this card. So later on, I will be showing you how to top up this card also. Actually, you can also have to get $5 for each successful referral for this card. Just top up this and refer to your friends or invite your friends. Just click or take the link, the code of your Youtrip card, and you can share to your friends, because this card is not only for one location. It will be used for over 150 currencies worldwide too. And now, this card, I've been using this as EasyLink. So I've been roaming in Singapore through bus and train, and just want to let you know that this card is completely free, only providing your valid information and without minimum requirements too. So you can have this card anytime. Just go to their Play Store, simply search their Youtrip application and install this app. You can also have a sign up or activate your card using online application too. So this process was shared in my videos 5 months ago, how I activate and sign up this card. So it's very helpful for you also to have a convenient card like this. So now the question is, can we withdraw money from Youtrip in Singapore? So far, as far as I know, it is not, because Youtrip does not support this function, but you can use any Singapore Visa or MasterCard to tap up your wallet. So later on, I will be showing you how to tap up your wallet also. And now you know the amazing fact about this card is a highly competitive rate. It supports to purchase over 150 currencies worldwide. They will show you this over 140 plus currencies or 150. So which currencies are supported? Youtrip supports payments in over 150. So for selected currencies, here you can also check which country or where are those countries. So US dollar, Singapore dollar, and here Philippines, Brunei. So you can scroll here and you can check your which location you are residing now. Over 150 countries, and that was the amazing fact about these cards. Very highly competitive rate, and it supports to purchase all over those 150. So you just need to verify it if you have your PIN code or thumbprint. So after showing this now, I will be teaching you also on this exchange. You can check also the currency rate here, if how much Singapore, and I will be going back. So here, if you just want to top up your card, you just simply click this top up card, and make sure before you topping up your card, you already link your Visa or MasterCard into this card. And so in Singapore card, if I am using Visa, they will have a minimum of $20 to top up this card. So if only put $10, I cannot able to top up this card. So we type 20 and say slide to top up. That is very simple and very convenient to top up this card. After you linking your personal banks, Visa card and your Master Bank, just scan how much what you want. Also 50 can because I always purchase, I always deposit into my wallet with this maximum $50. So $50, I think you can only use this 3 to 4 months. That was amazing because it was so cheaper. As far as I observed, it is cheaper than those normal EasyLink card that you can buy here in Singapore. So we go back and delete. Put our minimum amount $20. Just slide to top up, because here, if you can see here, I have credit $5 from my previous transaction because I have already reached my top up before. Okay, so 20. If this was successfully sent into our wallet, this $5 will be deducted too. We just only left $15. So slide this one and hit top up. Successful was being notified into the amount. So as I told you a while, I have a credit $5, so it automatically deducted into my wallet amount. So that was so easy and very convenient to use this card. So I think this is what I can share to you. So hopefully, later on, you will be able to have your own Youtrip card also.